Welcome. In front of me is a VIVO X300, and today I'll show you how you can put this phone into the recovery mode. So, to get started, you will want to hold the power button and volume up at the same time, which brings up your boot options, and here swipe the top one, swipe right to power off slider. And when the device turns off, you want to hold power button and volume up again, though this time around we're going to be holding it for a little bit longer. So hold both of them, the device will start to boot up, and you get taken to the Fastboot mode first. Now, I do want to warn you, sometimes when you let go of these buttons, it will accept the release of the power button as a confirmation of the first option being selected, which is reboot, aka just leave this mode and go back to Android. So if when you let go of these two buttons, your screen automatically turns off again, start holding them again and try to maybe let go of these buttons a little bit sooner when you see this mode. Now from here, using volume buttons to navigate, you want to select the second option, recovery mode. So press volume down once and then press power button to confirm that option. And give it a moment, and it will redirect us to the recovery mode. And there we go. Now in here, we can navigate by just tapping on these options instead of using volume buttons like we did before. And we don't really have many options, but we do have safe mode right here, clear data, which actually consists of clear cache as well. We have install software and also check system. And at the bottom we have two ways of leaving this mode, restart and power off. Now I will be selecting restart and confirming it. And like I mentioned, this will just bring me back to Android now. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.